Hi there, I'm Pawel and I am a music producer and content creator with a passion for holistic health and breathwork. I am mostly known by my musical nickname as Touek, and I am a creator behind other YouTube channel Breathwork Beats by Touek, where throughout the period of 3 years I've been creating music journeys and videos for different kinds of breathing exercises. Over these 3 years I've collected over 100 breathwork journeys and worked with multiple breathwork and yoga practitioners, helping them to create their own customized breathwork journeys, fitting their unique style and audience. This channel is for the people who would like to start creating their own unique sound journeys for breathwork, no matter of the level of advancement of music production. I will be sharing many practical tools and production tips I use in my work, as well as my experience and philosophy about creating music for different breathwork practices and breathing exercises like Wim Hof, Pranayama, coherent breathing, and many other healing and transformative breathwork modalities. We will be using samples from different instruments from all around the world, which I created and continue to create for my beats, as well as breathing sounds for different breathing techniques. In addition, we will be implementing binaural beats and isochronic tones to enhance the healing potential of our music. All of this will be available in the form of sample libraries and arrangement templates that I use to create my own sound journeys and customize them for the needs of your own unique practice. From this place I would like to give a credit to Steffen Ki from Sonic Sorcery, which work inspired me to create this channel. If you are interested in creating different sorts of sound journeys for meditation and sound healing, his channel is a library of multiple templates and tutorials around healing and transformative potential of music. You can find the link to his channel in the description of this video. So if you are a content creator, yoga or breathwork practitioner, or a music producer wanting to learn how to expand your skill set and start creating your own unique music for breathwork, I would like to invite you to a first video from the series on creating customized transformative breathwork music journey, where I will be sharing tips and free sample pack to create Wim Hof style breathwork journey, no matter of the level of advancement in the music production. I hope you will get a lot of value from this channel and it will inspire you to create your own unique customized breathwork journeys. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.